Check out this Ram 2020 1500 Classic Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 22B Tradesman included, engine 3.6L V6 24V DVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, Tradesman package, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, STD, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24V DVT, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, Delmonico red pearl coat and wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low